In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers to your design in Canva. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, invitations, or fun graphics, stickers are a great way to add personality and make your design stand out. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and easy to follow, even if you're brand new to Canva. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any project you're working on, like an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once your design is open on the screen, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva interface. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options like templates, elements, text, and more. Here, you're going to click on the option labeled Elements. This is where Canva stores all sorts of visual assets you can add, such as shapes, graphics, photos, and of course, stickers. After clicking on Elements, you'll see a search bar appear at the top of the Elements panel. This is where you can search for specific types of graphics. Click inside that search bar and type the word stickers. Press enter and Canva will automatically filter the results to show sticker-style graphics. These are usually fun, bold, and often animated, depending on what's available for your account. Once the results load, take a moment to scroll through and explore what's there. You'll see a variety of stickers in different styles, colors, and themes. Some might be static graphics, while others could be animated, adding movement to your design if you're working on something like a video or social media reel. When you find a sticker you like, simply click on it once. Canva will automatically place it onto your design canvas. From here, you can click and drag the sticker to reposition it anywhere on your design. Use the corners of the sticker to resize it, making it larger or smaller to fit the layout you're going for. You can also rotate it slightly to give it more dynamic placement. If the sticker has editable colors, you'll see color options appear at the top of the screen, letting you tweak it so it matches your overall design aesthetic. That's all there is to it. By clicking on Elements, typing stickers, and selecting the one you want, you can quickly transform a simple design into something more eye-catching and expressive using Canva's sticker library.